Honey, 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 there was honey in my mouth, honey in my hair, honey for the bees, and honey, honey, honey for the bears. Well, we all went down to grandfather's farm to the tree where the honeybee flew. We got out of bed in the middle of the night and walked in the morning too. You gotta get up when the owl's in the bed if you wanna get the jump on a bee. So Granddaddy led us on through the night to the base of the honeybee tree. And there was honey, honey, honey in my mouth, honey in my hair, honey for the bees, and honey, honey for the bears. My brother climbed up to the top of the